Alrighty, I'm live. I was working on this and decided to stream. Haven't streamed in a little bit of time, but yeah. Currently working on refactoring my Vivy voice assistant because the code is messy in my opinion, and I want to get it a little bit cleaner. So that is what I am doing right now. And yeah, that's gonna be the stream basically. I don't plan on working too much longer. I've been working some time, but yeah, decided to just get it out there. So, all right, back to it. User input response will generate voice. Save conversation time. Exception. Okay, assistant. Wait, what happened there? Hold on. Stop. Try. Oh, this is only gonna work if there's an error, I think. Let me retry that. Okay, jump completely goes over the except. Okay, well, let me do else. I raise exception. Let's try that. Oops. Nice. Alright, perfect. Oh. Hey, Vivy. Oops, that is not what I said. None type. Hey Vivy. I gotta have a different keyword. Hey there. None type. Right. So it sets up and then it goes into, I'm assuming here. Okay. Start conversation. Hey there, Vivy. Okay, recognize Google. Google heard. Okay, keyword. If keyword, okay. That should generate the that should generate the sound. What happened there? Generate and play. Hello there, how's it going? None type has no attribute. Lower. Why am I passing? Why is user input a none type? Hold on. I might not be passing anything. That's why. Oh, also, that's probably why I'm not hearing it. I gotta change my, volume mixer because it's currently on. That's why. Python is going to my digital output to my Vivy audio cable, so I'm gonna have it go out to my speakers. So that's what I gotta do. Have it go to my speakers. Right, rerun this. Cool. Perfect. Hey, what is going on? Keyword heard.
I'm listening.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Right, speech recognition. Okay, return the response. Okay. Okay, user input. Speech recognition. You said but it's not returning anything. Okay, that is what is happening. Return user input. I also gotta do an else here. Else raise exception. Okay, it's gonna go error. Yep. Okay, cool. Run again, and we should be good. Hey there, what is going on?
I'm listening.
Okay, test 1, 2, 3.
Hello. How may I assist you today?
Tell me what the Laplace transform is, please.
The Laplace transform is a mathematical operation that transforms a function of time, f, t, to a function of a complex variable s, denoted by f, s. It is used to solve differential equations and analyze linear systems in various fields including engineering, physics, and mathematics. Would you like a more detailed explanation of how it works or a specific application of the Laplace transform?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Now what in the world happens when I run out of space? Well, preferably I'd like to have a new suffix. Generate voice. Okay, save conversation. Let's go save conversation. Start time. Save in progress. Where do I have to get suffix at? It only does it once though. Token limit exceeded. If token limit exceeded, print. Cool. I should be able to do self dot suffix is equivalent to the same thing get suffix. Pass self dot save folder name. That actually isn't the path. Let me edit that. That's wrong. Text in. Specify the name of the folder. Assistant. I think assistant P is done. Okay, now to go to assistant. Alright, so what I ended up doing was literally getting rid of everything. Letting Kokoro handle everything for the most part. And this can get deleted, which is nice. Wait. Why do I have that in here, actually? I actually have no clue why I have had this in here originally. I might have made a mistake when doing that. Probably made a mistake with that. Okay, don't need use the don't need those anymore. Don't even need save folder name actually. Save folder name gone. Perfect. This is so much cleaner, so much nicer. I can delete all of this and just put in. This is so much nicer. I love this one. Self.Kokoro speech recognition. Slap in the audio. Don't even need this. Try accept. Okay, this is the same logic for the most part. But this one does not do persistent memory, right? Yeah. If quit. Okay. Alright, this one I'm gonna do the same stuff. It's just generate voice with response. Okay, no longer need to do this. I just have to do self.save conversation. That's so much nicer. Time, and here everything's handled inside of Kokoro, so I don't even need that. Nice. Okay. Oh, and that's why I actually had that message in there. I already deleted it. Okay, yeah, this one initializes the self messages. That's why I had that there. All right. Cool. And then edit the P assistant script. Okay. Don't even need those anymore, which is nice. Just need a TTS. I'm gonna use the default. In this case, I don't need this. Get rid of that messy little thing. Folder name, directory. Okay, all that stuff's needed. Got rid of the by installer block to determine whether it's an exit or not due to issues. Okay, cool. Don't even need any of those. Okay, folder name, save folder name equals folder name. TTS equals TTS. Speech recognition equals. I do have the speech recognition as whisper there. Okay, cool. Speech record as whisper. Cool, let's do that. Speech recognition. I think that's all I need actually. Yeah, keyword hey should be fine. Cool, that's what I did there. I don't like the name chatbot, so we're gonna go Kokodo underscore and then go to chatbot. Place it. Alright, let's try this out. Hey there. What is 1 plus 1? Ah, shoot, it didn't hear me. Hey there.
I'm listening.
What is 1 plus 1?
Greetings. It's a pleasure to assist you. The answer to your question is 2. Do you have any other math-related questions or anything else I can help you with?
Hey there.
I'm listening.
What was the last question I asked you?
Hello, it's a pleasure to meet you. Unfortunately, I cannot recall the last question you...
Okay, perfect. That works. Flawless. Nice. Okay. Cool. Let's go take a look at conversations. Assistant. I didn't save it. It didn't save. Hold on. Dang it. Okay, save conversation. Film messages. Let's see what's going on. Hey there.
I'm listening.
What is 1 plus 1?
Oh, that's an easy one. 1 plus 1 is 2. Is there anything else you would like to know?
Okay, save in progress. What happens here? Oh, it is saving it. I just have it feeding in the wrong. Ah, okay, I remember. I know what's happening. So these are actually getting saved all the way in the beginning. I think. Oh yeah, here they are. There you go. Yeah. Okay, that is not what I want. Alright, let me delete these. Delete. Goodbye. Jeez, okay. So, this is actually misleading, the way that I named this. Assistant P. Let me go back. Let me go ahead and fix that. It should be folder name. Let me make sure that doesn't mess up anything here. Save folder name. I'm gonna change to path of folder to save conversations to. I don't like the name save folder name, so I'm gonna call save folder path. Okay, alright, cool. So this is assistant P. Assistant P folder name. I'm gonna call it save folder path, and then this one is called folder name directory. Folder name dir. Keys. Okay, same thing has to be done in here. Has to be path. Folder name dir. Cool. Done. Let me check how this guy is doing. Let me check this one. Yo, welcome. What's up? Long time no see. Just working right now, so nothing too fun, nothing too crazy. Save in progress. Okay, save folder name. Actually, how does it do this? Get suffix. Where am I pulling that one from? Get file path. Where is my get file path? Why do I have a random utils folder? Or a random utils module? I know why. Because this one's in a different spot. Okay. Alright, so cool. Cool, that's fine. Hey, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Doing well. Just working on code. Only gonna be in here for probably like 30 minutes more, but just refactoring things and getting things looking nice for myself. Conversations, folder name. Folder name, get personality directory, okay. Hey, Vivy to Twitch, heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what we call AI VTubing. No problem, anytime. Appreciate it. I did not know Shiso Dev Guy, unfortunately. Shiso Dev Guy. Who is that? I need to check Google if assistant details. Okay, here we go. Now we're back. Okay, make theirs. Make there except that any intermediate path segment not threatened should be created if it does not exist. Target directory of it exists. Raise an error if useful. Otherwise, no exception. Raise is recursive. AI waifu creator. What is that? Let's search them up real quick. Interesting. We got 6 videos. Huh? I've not seen him before. Maybe I have seen him somewhere, but not recently. I've been busy grinding. Okay, let me test this out real quick. Conversations. Let me rename this. I don't want to accidentally delete it forever. Rename the conversations 3. Assistant. Assistant B. Type error. Oops. Hey there.
I'm listening.
What is 1 plus 1?
The answer to 1 plus 1 is 2. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What was the last question? Hey there.
I'm listening.
What was the last question I asked you?
Your last question was, so, what is 1 plus 1?
Quit. Okay, cool. Perfect. Everything works smoothly. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. We love to see it. Okay, folder name dir. Cut that out. Alright, cool, perfect. Does everything correctly as it should. Your last question. So, what is 1 plus 1? Cool. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and delete that folder. We don't want that. We're gonna go ahead and put it back on old folder. And then, alright, we're gonna have to edit these other guys in here. Chat PY. Alright, use Whisper. Don't do that anymore. Update in. I really don't want update in anymore. Take those out. Don't need that. Take that. The path of a file to read and update the system role for ChatGPT. Yeah, we're gonna delete update in. We don't need that anymore. I actually don't think we need that. Oh, the new changes for ChatGPT? I'm excited. Those are awesome. The 16K tokens is awesome. What I'm more excited about, well, 16K is awesome for the voice assistant, but the whole function calling is even more fun. So that's why I'm refactoring, you know, the project here, so it can be a little bit more organized, so I can start incorporating function calling into it. So that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be a fun time. Alright, don't need that. Don't need suffix anymore. I'm gonna call this corporal, and then delete that. Actually, let me find that and replace it. Okay. Hey, welcome in, that one dude. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shoot. ChatGPT. Okay, don't need any of those. Alright, so. Now I wonder why I have a get raise value error here. Don't think I need that because I have this. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the user input equals self.grow.listen for voice and then audio. I believe that is what I did in. Let me pull this here. Oh yeah, timeout none. Let me see. Oh, this is gonna be speech recognition. Speech recognition. Try. Cool. Okay, don't need this anymore. I should really have a change log. Jeez. Okay. Let me do a change log. Change log. See, removed update in from the chat assistant. I think it's that useful of a feature anymore to inject a new prompt into the assistant midway through, so I will be removing that from chat.py. Refactored the code to reduce the amount of parameters being passed over into refactor the code to reduce the amount of parameters being passed over into each individual assistant class. Instead a bulk majority of that is now instantiated when calling the main corporal class. I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do a change log.md here. Let's see. What date are we going to do? Today is 6/15/2023. Chat assistant. Move some utility functions. Some functions. Move additional functions into assistant. Let's go utils to organize utility functions. What else did I do? Added additional methods inside of Kokoro to handle logic that was being repeated in the assistant classes. This will make it easier to simply just call the name of the method instead of passing 5 billion parameters into it, into each method call. What else have I done so far? Cleaned up some of the miscellaneous cleanup of the code. Alright, this is actually the biggest change. The major change here was the refactoring and moving around of functions/methods, but overall everything works pretty much exactly the same as before. Okay. Yeah, don't need this. Delete that. Speed recognition, check quit, self-control, and user input. Okay. And then here. Make my life easy. Let's see what we got. Don't need this anymore. I'm just gonna call response. Save progress is now replaced by this handy dandy self dot. Save conversation. And we don't need a start time. All this is actually inside of Kokoro. Right here. Nice. Oh yeah, let's see. One thing is moving this can be just capitalize everything, proper grammar. And something like response completion, where I moved the exception handling to be inside here instead of the assistant classes. oh yeah, also what I did, rethought over certain variables, the largest being the TTS generation, due to there being a possibility of more than 2 main TTS systems. Have made it now. It's to where the name of the TTS can be called, and in the future, just index from a list of available TTS engines to use. Welcome, VTS Sovets. Are you able to use RVC to SVC? No, I do believe they are different technologies, so they're both voice to voice, but I don't think you can transfer them. Just kind of like in Sovets SVC, you also can't transfer like 4.0 between 4.0 version 2 and stuff like that. So same kind of deal. I mean, I think you can nowadays. You just have to edit some things, but it's easier, I think, just to train a model, to retrain a model. Maybe. Probably not, but yeah, that's what I know for now. The largest being TTS generation due to being old instead. Before there were things like UseEL and use tortoise. There were bool, I don't call them bool variables, like now they can, which would be difficult to handle with more engines, so now it's just specified by doing TTS equals name. Alrighty. This will make it easier to add other TTS engines like Azure, etc., etc. 98K. Well, luckily, I don't think you're gonna overtrain it. I haven't really overtrained too much, so that might not be too bad. 98,000 steps. How did it sound? See chat, and this is actually pretty easy. So, I can actually just delete this. I don't even need this try accept anymore. Like, all of it's handled inside of generate a TTS output based on the chosen engine. Available options. Oh, you know what I gotta do here? I actually, that's what I have to do here. I have to do a play audio for... Oh, I know why I don't have that. hold on. Almost human. That is good. That is awesome. Almost though. Shit. Yeah, voice models, it's all, training in general. It's just trying out a bunch of different things. Big trial and error, big trial and error. RVC throws an error. What type of error was it? I was like, with RVC, I think you just need the PTH file and then the index file. You should still be able to generate the voice. Let me ask ChatGPT this real quick. I want to see. Okay, let me show my ChatGPT. Oh, and it's blocked. Alright, here we go. Here is my question. I have a parameter that I can feed into a class that determines what TTS engine to use. However, say I pass in a specific name to the TTS engine, like tortoise. I now want to make it required to pass in another parameter, or an error will be thrown. What's the best way to implement this? I can probably do this. I have an idea, but I just want to see if there's a better way to do it. Generally more Pythonic to raise an exception manually for such a condition. Okay, below is an example. Okay, give me the example. Oh my god, ChatGPT is going at 1 mile per hour. Okay, parameter for building engine. Okay, cool. Additional parameter required for tortoise is named tortoise parameter. Okay, keyword arg, self engine. Okay, this is cool. I do want to implement keyword args into my code, so cool. Let me go ahead and do that, actually. Okay, VS Code, here we are. All right, keywords. Alright. If self TTS equals tortoise. Okay, cool. We are going to call this tortoise. Tortoise autoplay, not in keywords. Okay. Okay, raise value error. Else. And self dot tortoise. What do I call this? Autoplay. Those keywords. Call that tortoise auto. Alright, let's delete that. Get that out of there. Okay, this isn't gonna stop it, so how would I make the raise value stop this code execution? Okay, we'll leave it at this. No API key set for 11 labs or Tortoise installation. If valid Tortoise. If valid Tortoise TTS installation, make sure pass in a make sure to pass in Tortoise autoplay play. Bool. Necessary. Needed for. Actually, keyword args doesn't make sense here. Actually, it's probably better to just explicitly do this. We'll call it true. Or not. Auto plays audio. Oh. I don't need this actually anymore. Delete this. Tortoise autoplay. If self.tortoise autoplay. Oops, I gotta set this variable up above. Self.tortoise autoplay equals tortoise autoplay. Equals true. If self.tortoise autoplay equals true, then play audio. Do I have a simple play audio? Could use that. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this async. See if it'll work for this one as well too. Async. Play audio. Audio path. Else. Alright, cool. Else. Return audio path. Cool. Okay. there's TTS. See, tortoise defaults to true for autoplay, however for some assistants like AI streamer want to the audio path instead. AI streamer, I have to instantiate that inside of here. Self.kokoro, save conversation. Works. Cool. Perfect. Here is the chat. Folder path equals folder name directory. What else are we doing in here? We are doing TTS equals TTS. Equals, let's do system. Yeah, it doesn't really matter if I do system or default. Either one works because it's just an accept. Speech recognition. We do speech equals. I'll do whisper. How do I actually have it? Do I have speech recognition? Do I have Google? Choice between whisper, open AI API, and Google. Free. Okay. Okay, speech recognition is going to equal speech recognition. What else do I need? Personality key, save folder path, voice name, TDS, speech recognition. Alrighty. Alright, let's try this. Oops, error. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Hey there. What is going on?
Hello. How can I assist you today? Is there any specific query or problem that you would like me to help you with?
Nope. Goodbye. Quit. Alrighty, cool, perfect. Alright, chat works again. What is the last one? Okay. Interview, man. Alright, goodbye Whisper, goodbye Uzel. System change. We're also gonna get rid of system change in the interview because I don't think that's too useful. Delete. Right, nice. Man, there's a lot in this one. Okay, cool. There's a lot to go through here. Luckily, we don't actually need this anymore. We will append this. We will do a response completion. We will do a generation of voice with the response. Cool. We don't need this anymore because we've got user input. Equals self.coco.speech recognition. And throw in the audio file there. Okay. Try, accept, exception, if quit in system exit. Okay. Append. Cool. Try response. No longer need save in progress, which is awesome. We can just do self.coco.save conversation, which is and then we can delete this system change that is unnecessary. Don't need that anymore. Okay, this is all handled in Kokoro now. Suffix. Okay, now this is different logic though. In here I have the personality set, which is the self mode. Wait, what? Why do I have this here? Introduce yourself. Did I do this as a user? Oh, that's That's what I'm doing. Okay, hold on. Let me think about this. Token limit, clearing message. Okay, that is all handled. This is all handled already inside of Google now. But this one is different. Let's say there's a response completion and then it ends up resetting and goes into the mode. Ends up continuing feedback. It's being fed in as the system. What happens if I just use the system instead of ChatGPT or GPT? GPT Playground. Going to the GPT Playground right now just to play. Right, doing the chat. Let me see, what do I have here in interview? I might be able to do this. Boom. Submit. Oh, nice. I don't even need a user input. Okay, cool. That is awesome. So I can actually yeah, I don't even need this try anymore. I don't even need this exception anymore. Do this. Okay. What's up, D Music? Let's see. Well, if you're already in the market for a new computer, you definitely probably want to go with a desktop, as that gives you the best bang for your buck. If you're looking to do some voice cloning stuff, depending on your budget, I recommend at least 12 gigabytes of VRAM. You can get that with a 3060, a 4060, and 4070. Usually the more VRAM the better for the AI stuff, is what it seems to be. Because this one starts differently. Okay. Well, in this case, the interview would be over. Let me actually put this inside of the. Let's do a little bit of prompt engineering here. Let's those in the prompts. Interview. Alright, I just threw Teslas in here. Alright, cool. Introduce yourself. Alright. Introduce yourself, pick a random name with candidate in, let them know what they're applying for, and then proceed by asking for an introduction. Keep track, but do not inform the candidate about the point system. Alrighty. So that is going to be the system prompt. So I no longer need this here. That can go away. I don't think I need this anymore. So inside of Kokoro, I believe what I do for self mode is I read the personality for the self mode. Yep. Correct. Alright, so this should already be set up by doing Kokoro. Okay. But it's going to do a response completion. We don't need any of these. Cool. Nearly identical to how the chat method works, but this method conducts an interview with the candidate using an interview bot style. The conversation is saved to a specified folder. Chat method works, but this method conducts an interview with a candidate using an interview bot style. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably don't even need this try except inside of these other ones, because everything is handled. Yeah, I probably don't even need that actually, because it's all handled inside of response completion. So that's okay. We'll leave that there just in case something pops up. Nearly. Actually, literally the only difference. The actual only difference here is the assistant starts out in this case. I wish I could probably have like a flag inside of response completion. Could have like a flag that goes off like, hey, response completion. Or token limit exceeded. Let the main chat know that there was a token limit exceeded. I could probably do some type of flag there. Oh, there goes my camera. Oops. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, do a flag here because I actually don't need to let the main assistant script. I don't need to let the assistant script know that the tokens were reset. So unless I actually need that for something in the future, then I'll implement that. I mean, ideally I would want it for this interview so that it can go back into running the interview, but at that point, once you're out of tokens for this interview, I think you should just stop interviewing. Just restart the interview bot. Maybe. Well, yeah, absolutely. Alrighty, enough rambling. Let me move on to the interview.python file and get this finished up so I can go to sleep. Okay, we'll swap this for TTS. TTS, we're going to use Whisper for the speech recognition. We're going to use we're going to use Whisper. We're going to do system here. Do I do default in here? Oh, this is different. No, this is Tortoise. I do default here. It should actually be called system. That's my bad. Alright, interview. Yes, that's correct. Okay, don't need system change anymore. Do want personality. Okay, like I said before, I don't need this exe block anymore. It's not actually used. I'm not running this as an exe anymore. System change can be deleted. And actually, if we go into file paths, we can now well, we'll go ahead and leave that there just in case we do need system change sometime in the future. Okay. Cool. Now we can just do a single run. We don't need any of those extraneous parameters. Do underscore corporal here. Chatbot. Alrighty, we're going to add. What are we gonna add here? No, it's not the order I have it in. I have it in save folder path. Folder, their name, voice name, TTS equals TTS, speech recognition equals speech recognition. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's it actually. I actually don't need this anymore. Delete that. Cool. So, cutting down the code, making things more efficient. We love to see it. Let me see if this one works. I see. Alrighty. Now let's see if it works. This looks ugly.
Hello, my name is Sarah and I'm an interviewer with over 20 years of experience in the engineering field. Welcome and thank you for taking the time to interview for the electrical engineering position at our firm. This position requires developing detailed test plans to validate Tesla's user interface software, developing test scripts to automate the user interface, validating vehicle functionality, and investigating issues reported by customers in the field. Could you please start by introducing yourself and telling me a bit about your experience in this field?
I have no experience in this field. Give me that job.
Points, 90. Thank you for your honesty. Can you tell me about your educational background or any relevant experience you may have?
Quit. Oh man, Whisper took a long time for that. I want to get this running with local Whisper. Like, man, Whisper X is so fast. Whisper X is so good. I gotta do that. That's gonna be the next. That's in the pipeline. I gotta work on that. All right. Interviews done. Chat done. Assistant done. Change log. What are we gonna call? Some thoughts. Might need some type of flag in the future to let the assistant class know that the list of dictionaries for the responses has been reset due to maximum token count. Some thoughts. Okay. Cool. let me go ahead and edit my readme. Okay. It's further. Fine. Recommend you run Python. Yeah. Let me say ultimately the aim of its features. Unfortunately, there is no longer exe support. I could probably package it up. I'll think about that actually. Currently there are issues with the exe versions, but I'm working on getting this. But I'm working on an easy way to just download and run everything. Currently, the fastest way to try these systems, files. The fastest way to try these systems would be set up your API keys in the keys.yaml file, and then clone the repo, and then run the scripts in the assistance folder. The Python scripts. Alright, we're gonna delete that part. YouTube tutorial, most recent, heavy check mark, voice recognition, integration. Integration with ChatGPT for responses. Let's see, integration with ChatGPT for responses, and then we're going to do a heavy check mark. Multiple support for different TTS engines, Clever Labs, Tortoise, TTS, and more coming. More coming. Okay, yeah. Personality assistant function with small functionality. Facial motion recognition, local models. enhancements in the pipeline. Shoot, what was I thinking about? Oh yeah, I'm working with local long-term memory in the works, in progress. I'm gonna call that in progress with DB. Function calling the latest GPT. See this being useful. Pretty useful. What else did I need to do? What else was I? Somebody wanted to specify 11 EL audio to specific devices. Created. Oh shoot, I didn't update Streamer. I updated AI Streamer. AI Streamer. Okay. I gotta do this. I gotta update this. Okay. Create 2 agents, one to generate, one to filter. Okay, so suffix is handled nowadays. Alright, we're still gonna call this one Kokodo. I'd like to call this one okay, we're going to use our good old handy dandy input equals speech recognition self.Kokodo. Recognition, pass it in audio. Okay. Okay, check with modified text. Okay, self-attention mode replace. User input, modified text, place, name, assistant name. Okay, we don't need these anymore. need to say folder name. We will take these two arguments though. Alright, self-attention messages. If no, then check attention lower. Continue with else. Yes. Down here, streamer completion. Shoot. Hold on. Yo, what's up, Lion? I am refactoring code. I was almost finished and right about to sleep, and then I realized and remembered that I had one more script that I had to finish editing. FML. Now I just realized that I have an issue with this. Call API. I'm gonna call it API. I actually need to sort sentences though. Shoot. Actually, I can do this here. Yeah. But with Tortoise comes its own little quirks. So yeah. Ugh. Disgusting. Assistant utilities, scroll down, read paragraph from file. I don't need that. I do need filter paragraph. Returns back a tuple. Okay. Let me go ahead and feed that. Let me. If self tortoise autoplay equals true. Create a sentences empty list. We'll do what am I gonna do? Sentence equals what did I call it? Filter paragraph? Filter no. We'll do sentences equals filter paragraph. Paragraph. Okay. Slap in a paragraph, which is going to be sentence. This is totally backwards. It's okay. That's fine. I don't even think I need to. It should automatically determine that it's a list by... Yeah, there we go. Nice. And now that sentences is a list for for sentence in sentences. Okay, I think that solves my issue. Okay, if sentence running through the filter, return back a list of sentences, for sentences, audio path. This is needed in order to cut down long sentences to manageable chunks. Okay, filter paragraph sentences. Hey, you bought Mio? Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I got Mio. I got Mio right next to me. This is a different type of Mio, but not the energy one. The energy one is pretty dope. I like it. Mix it with some SodaStream and you've got some delicious sugar-free soda that also acts and doubles down as an energy drink to keep you up late at night while coding, which I didn't do, but I don't need that much though. Oh really? There you go. That's what's up. Now you could also just buy the carbonated water too. Hey, that's good though. 2 days. You can live with it. You can live 2 days. Throw some ice in there and throw some ice in a cup first, and then the sparkling water, and then put the Mio, and that stuff's bomb. I could drink that all the time. Shoot. You must live without it. You must persist. I feel it. Streamer completion. Why the heck do I need streamer completion? Why did I do streamer completion for? Why did I do this? Hey, there you go. You're back on the grind though. That's what's up. I can't believe it took them 2 weeks to get you back your internet. That's crazy. In this day and age, man, that's life and death right there. Oh, that happened. You know now what stock not to invest in. Oh, it's Spectrum. Oh, why did I do Tortoise Run? Usually only ran if this is a standalone script. Wait for each API call to be complete before starting the next one. I slap this in an audio queue. So then do I pass a tortoise TTS? associated Tortoise TTS. I do! Why? Oh really? What the heck? A power supply issue and you just happen not to be getting enough power? Well, that kind of sucks. Did you guys have to pay for it, or was it the city? My streamer PY. Okay. That makes sense. And then it's definitely on them to get that fixed up. You might need to download it to Anki. Might just have to bite the bullet and jump back onto Anki. And then blame it on Spectrum. Hey, I'm just stating facts. Shoot, so I can actually do this streamer completion. I don't know why I did it this way, but okay, we're gonna do self.corporal.tortoise.run, and then we'll slap in. What the heck do I do? Run. The sentences. Alright, this is the way around it. Shoot, where do sentences come from? I call it response completion. Okay, I'll do that. We'll do sentences. I have been doing JPDB every day. Let me see. JPDB. Whip out my JPDB stats right now. Do you mean like total cards finished for JPDB? Let me check. Oops, I logged into the wrong account. Dang it. do I know? What is my magic number? Oh boy, I've got 145 due today. Oh, and that's 330. Jesus. I know 1922 cards. Not bad. Indirectly no 27. So small, but it's okay. We'll get it bigger. We will get there eventually again. Shoot, what was I doing? Streamer completion, self save folder. Okay, that's completely new, so ends up just feeding messages, response. Okay, equals chat. What is it? Response completion. Okay, response completion. Self dot response completion. And then we throw that into no. Filter paragraph. I think I get a mixture of quote unquote common words and then some words like kohei, which are like, or eihei, which are more specific to like the anime. I'm like, what the heck? So actually I have no clue how it does it. It's supposed to be by frequency, so maybe those are more frequent than I think. But yeah, I think I only have like 8K instead of JPDB. I actually don't know what the JPDB. I think there's a deck count or a card count, card maximum that you can have in JPDB. So I think that kind of sucks about it, unfortunately. I think there's like a max of like 20K or something like that. Messages, append, user input, response, so response completion. Alright, filter these, slap them back in here, delete this. So I don't need that anymore. But I do want 11 labs completion. Okay, I'll do like a soft filter here. Do like a soft filter if self dot TTS equals tortoise, then do these guys. Else, yeah, it makes me wonder because like once you get to a certain amount, I don't know. It says when you delete a deck, you lose those cards. So I don't even know if they review those cards anymore. But it still stays in your known. So it's like you finish a deck and then you just delete it or something like that. But once I get to like a solid 20,000, I think I'm good. I think I'm done with SRS. maybe not. It all depends. Response completion. What do I want to do? I want to throw it into generation. Self.corporal.generate voice response. Cool, that basically accomplishes the same thing done here. Save generation after here. Self.corporal.save conversation. Okay, start time. Quit CLS. Okay, and here is another one. This can actually be done with self.corporal.speech recognition. I don't need to pass anything into here, I think. Oh, I do need to pass. I need to pass into my audio variable, yes. Don't do that anymore, so response run, self-generate. This anymore. This can be that can be deleted. Don't need that. That can be cleared out. This can be cleared out too. tortoise. Alright, nice. Everything's handled inside of Corporal, so we're chilling. Oh yeah, save folder path. Okay. Right. I gotta do all that. Save folder path equals folder name dir. TTS equals TTS. Oh, right. Okay, that gets handled here. Okay. Okay, 2 instances where this occurs. We go filter paragraph. Here we go, tortoise run. Okay. And that itself will instantiate a queue, I believe. Yep. When you set it up, it starts its own queues. Where the heck was I again? What was I trying to do? Streamer. Well, let me run this and see how it works. Oh. Save folder path. Technically, I don't need save folder path directory because it's not being used for anything, but okay, fine. Hello there. Hey, what's up? What is up? How's it going, Emmy? Cool. Tortoise API is not working right now because I have it turned off. Okie dokie. So this should be good to go for now. I mean, what Git branch am I on? Tortoise. Alrighty. Well, we'll go ahead and do the commits tomorrow. What else? What else? Cool. I think that's about it. Yeah, I think I did everything that I wanted to work on tonight. I actually was able to finish it all. I think. So we'll see if if there's any issues with the with it when I run it. So oh, there's my JPDB actually. Say. Okay. All right, I'll probably do this. I'll definitely do JPDB off stream. It's only gonna take me about 15 minutes to finish this. Thank you. Or should I just do it on stream? Kishi. Nerai. Sesshoku. No, I don't think I'll do JPDB on stream. Maybe I will do JPDB on stream. I just gotta finish this real quick. I finished all my coding, so I'm like, geez. Well, get the JPDB finished. Abiru.
Shower. Manazashi. Kodo. Jiman. Kenko. Watashi wa kamaeru. Shiki. Pouki. Ganko. Tomu tte ganko. Kurushii. Yoi. Tochu. Nichi. Kyū. Chō. Tame ni. Moto. Saikin. Kimaru.
What's the shortcut for never forget again? K? Yeah.
Dai. Chikai. Anshin.
Oops, that's supposed to be a never forget card as well too. Forget.
Ushinau. Kanojo.
Click K, yeah.
Fuan. Shourai fuan o nokosu. Watashi. Tokuni. Motomeru. Kazoku. Wake. Kiru. Mukeru. Miiti. Kuchibiru. Odoroku. Onna. Ko. Kata. Se. Tachiagaru. Ken. Kare. として。なんだ。それか。誘う。彼女を誘ったよ。親。召喚。裏。戻る。単位。質問。あなたは私。協力。突破口。収入。20歳。
20歳。I hate this word.
物心。詳しい。これに詳しい。健康。邪道。見つめる。頑固。通じる。苦しい。
悔しい。It's 苦しい。Something.
仕方。成功。あなたは不備。叩きつける。1。日本はアジア。死。なかなか。生む。生活。
Oops, that's a never forget card. Never forget.
目的。思い。その後。大切。考え。自由。丈夫。ください。 ご自分のやりたいことをやってください。
やっぱり。What did I grade that? That's a never forget as well.
ちゃんと分かってるのならだろうかじゃないか一気につく。彼は嘘なんか時に機械。彼は血進める。あうんの呼吸。感銘。私は地面。かろうじて新た。急行。前提。目指す。加担。偵察。通貨。軸。幻想。幻想の命は短い。速度。窓。あれは窓だよ。なりに。加害者。成功ということだ。何かを選ぶ。共通。位置。刻々。発生。喉。注釈。寛容。驚き。歩み寄る。降りる。混む。そこは混む。迫る。盗難。吐息。苦しい。揃う。裏声。錯覚。腰。身軽。充実。感銘。侮辱。トムはメアリー。かろうじ。焦燥。前提。わけではなく加担。腹でも息をつ。幻想。吹き飛ぶ。割と。結晶。なめ。なりに。のように。彼は私の崩壊。バブルは崩壊した。ということだ。小柄。小娘。超。ただしあまりに微妙。トムが次の好き。てる。パン。かたどる。量。トムは混む。昼。持ち上げる。メアリーは覗く。私の年齢。
Alright, Lion. There's those 142 done. 8 minutes. Gotta get the new cards though.
折れる。身軽。
100 new cards. Heck no. Oh, heck no.
腰。彼女。侮辱。焦燥。充実。機能。 直前、私が家を出る直前に収め
1 million characters. That's crazy. 1 million. I only reached. Man, I could never dedicate my reading time to that. On a good day, I would read like 25,000 characters in a day. I never got fast at reading, and my skills kind of sucked. I'm just now getting back into the swing of things. Yeah, at 7 hours, I'm not gonna say it's easy at 7 hours, but if you're reading 7 hours a day, you should be, you should be at that level. It's kind of like you put in what you get out, right? Or you get out what you put in. There you go. That's the saying.
型取る微妙超のように脇トムとメアリ正直いっそその仕事
If you read 7 hours and get worse, oh boy, that's gonna be rough.
曲がる成立経過1固める
Very true, very true.
暮らしここでの暮らしが本当に好きです 年齢除くは持ち上げる最近コロナって
20k an hour. Hey, last name, first name. Were you looking up everything that you didn't understand, or were you just free flowing?
盾彼は盾と剣を買った小腰
Yeah, that's pretty nuts.
言い切る噛む
Come, hum.
無理やり袖彼の袖をつく脇トムと目
Yeah, that makes sense. Once you're at reading enough Reddit, once you're at 20k, people say that they're speeding through things like crazy. It doesn't really matter at all. Yeah, that kind of makes sense.
いっそ振る
Hey, we did our new cars. Let's go. Let's go, JPDB. JPDB is much nicer than Anki. Like, it'll allow you to do like your new cards once through, and then it'll be like, you're done. Anki is like, alright, you gotta do it 3 times and pass them all 3 times before it's done. Last name, first name. What VNs were you reading? I'm assuming that once you have fun reading, you just churn through that stuff super quick. Exactly what you said. Yoshi. Hey Lion, that's like how I churned through like 150 pages of 150 chapters of manga in like 2 days. That was crazy reading that I did. I don't know, I'm holding back. Yo, you know. Oh, you know. I've actually read, what was it? I low-key forgot, but it was, yeah, Mental Girlfriend, and then I also read Dome X Kana too. That was crazy. But, that was a long time ago, and that was not in Japanese.
暮らし頑固除く健康
Hey, you don't read it for the main character. You read it for the side characters. Kazuya? Kazuma. Is it what? Kazuya? Kazuma? Fudge, I forgot his name. See, not even rememberable. But he's not the greatest lead. Yeah, I agree with you. Hey, we don't have waifus ever. We just have cool people. Right now I'm just reading, you know, I'm slowly going through ReZero, so slowly. I've got a lot of ReZero stuff in my room. If only ReZero was as easy as Rental Girlfriend. It's not. Yeah, definitely though. They freaking had to nerf Rem. I can't believe it. What is Shizo? Shizo. Oh. It's schizo. Jesus. I hate English. Because, yeah, that reads as Shizo. Maybe. Really? I did not know that. I did not know that. I forgot what his name was. Kanado Karishima. Reiji Miyajima. There we go. Reiji. Kanado Karishima. My goal this year isn't to get, you know, super crazy good. I just want to see how far I can get by just consuming things that I enjoy. And I think that's just for my, you know, journey along the way as well. I want to see how good I can get with freaking VTubers. That'll be interesting. That will be really interesting. Oi. One of my favorite VTubers is streaming right now. Oh, easy stuff. Easy. Alright, shit, I better get to sleep. It's 4 o'clock here. I finished writing my code, did my JPDB. I think that's a successful night for the night, so we gotta close it out here. Alrighty guys, thank you for tuning in today. See you later, Lion. Talk to you later. See you later, last name, first name. See you later.